In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert a zip file into a normal file on your computer. This is a common task you might need to do, especially when you download files from the internet that come compressed. But don't worry, extracting the content of a zip file is straightforward. We'll walk through the necessary steps to make this process clear and easy. First, let's head over to your desktop. The desktop is typically the main screen you see when you start up your computer, and it's a great place to organize your most important files and folders. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the zip file that you're interested in converting. Zip files are compressed files, which means they've been minimized in size to make them easier to transfer and download. Once you've identified the zip file on your desktop or in the location you've saved it, we can proceed. Now moving on, put your cursor over the zip file and right-click on it. Right-clicking on a file will open a context menu associated with that file, giving you various options on how to interact with it. You'll see several options, but focus your attention on the one that says Extract All. This option is key for unpacking the contents of your zip file. Once you click on Extract All, a new pop-up window will appear. This window is crucial because it asks you where you want the files to go after they've been extracted. So take a second to choose or navigate to the desired destination folder on your computer. Once you've chosen where you want these files to be placed, you'll see another option to click Extract. Going ahead and clicking on this will initiate the extraction process. The computer will then take care of everything, moving all the contents from the zip file into the location that you've specified. Depending on your system's speed and the size of the zip file, this process may take a few moments, so be patient as it completes its work. And there you have it. Once this process is complete, your zip file's contents will now be available in the specified location as regular files, no longer compressed. You're done. You can now open or modify these files exactly as you would any other types of files. It really is that simple. I hope this tutorial has made the process of converting a zip file into a normal file much clearer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.